Beautiful. Don't snore again, Sissy? So what you think? Has he got a cute snore or what?
I think y'all are ridiculous.